viewers, you are welcome to my channel. Today, get matter when I won't really talk, but I won't like put my mouth for this issue. This issue na Davido matter. I don't know what they call him. Though this issue of these girls will come outside, come to see the sisters, the senior sister say the small sister Davido impregnated. At first, when I see the story, I know me myself, I know say na lie. I know say na either somebody they pay them or somebody they push them to do what they do. But to my own surprise, like I just dey shock when I see the video this evening. No, I say I can't hold this anymore. I have to go to YouTube, and in fact, that's why I sit down for here right now. It good as Davido wan show those girls lesson. At least they will learn from her. They will not say, at least any other person when they try to still make the same move, they go hook. You know, say, if I say Davido to get good heart, so people they mistake him for somebody when I don't know as I want to put it up, now will understand me. Davido na somebody when get open heart, soft-hearted guy, That's why they always take the guy for granted. Imagine, I just like the action where the guy take. At least if all those girls, if they not get work, let them look for something to do. If at all you want to make a name in a good way, not destroying someone's. But I'm not, as in just a carry person matter table. I don't even know who paid them to do that, because as I did, I know say definitely somebody paid them, or maybe they just want they famous. They want people to know them. That's why they came with this issue of Davido impregnating one of them. Sincerely, it's good. It served them right. I don't want to make anybody come outside and play Davido. Oh, why did you have to do this? I know one here. He did it right, because if he not doing, tomorrow another person will still come outside. If he not be pregnancy, but with something, another thing, if he still come up, it good. Imagine the guy when just the welcome a new baby boy home. See the kind news. Now won't scatter the guy love, the assurance love. Good. So all the same, like I said before, I like the way when Davido follow the matter, but I will still beg on behalf of those girls, but not be the big one or the senior one. I mean the small one when it is like the one that they say na Davido impregnate. So I won't just beg because of that girl. Davido, just forgive them. Just forgive them. You don't already, you don't shake them. As you shake them, so it good. So that next time, any other person will want come, you go fear. Go fear, say, no, I know they go that side. You get? So all the same, at least these girls, I know say they will learn from this thing when they do right now. Because, it's not good to just carry somebody name, just to spoil them anyhow. It's not good. If not them, they too no go like them. You get? So, my dear, this one are my own opinion about all these things when they happen. And at the same time, I just feel like I just share my own view for the matter. You understand? So, all the same, Davido, we are begging on behalf of those girls, just forgive them. Because I see the husband, see, they don't carry handcuff for hand. Their face don't do like this. They carry face up again. Now no say how don't meet them. You don't meet them. Forgive them. Just forgive them, So all the same, those of you wanna never watch the video, I believe everybody don't watch the video. So those of you wanna never see the video where they arrest the two girls, I will put the video maybe after my talk. I'll put the video for now. Watch the video. So guys, thank you for watching, and please do not forget, actually today is my first time on YouTube, so I don't know if I won't like una support my sister. Could be good thing. I beg I did. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Una no worry, I will bring enough gist to una. Enough gist, So una subscribe. And I beg, as una just dey subscribe, do not forget, not forget at all to press, you know that bell, because when you subscribe finish, you'll see one bell there. In fact, they go even direct una go where the bell dey. Just click am. Once you click am, if I your upload like this, you go receive am. Please, thanks for watching anyway. Bye for now.
Look at me. Look here. Look up. I go slap you. Okay, what video? Hello? Watch video. Look at me. Shani you seen lady? Oh, go there now. It's she dey house. I beg go carry her come. Call up, be one bit of way. Tí o bá lòdì sófin ṣé wọ́n máa gbé ibi tó ti ń wé. Ẹ̀bùn nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe. Labeling, deformation of character, all sort of things. Ẹ̀kọ́ wà ẹ̀kọ́ jókòó bí kò ẹ̀kọ́ ń ṣe yàmàyàmà.